What's going on, gardeners? Today I'm going to share with you how to make water-soluble calcium, or WCA. This is for especially like plants like blossom end rot for tomatoes and peppers and so on. It's good to use, especially as they go into the stress of the summer. It's always good to have a nice calcium supplement. So the first thing you want to do is take some eggshells and roast them, because you want to get this papery membrane that focuses. You want to get that papery membrane to cook off and fly away, because if not, this will make your solution go sour. So just go ahead and still the eggshells, preferably organic. Just go ahead and roast them until they start to turn a darker color. And then this is the second part. So you take those roasted eggshells and you put them in 1 part to 10 parts of vinegar. What you do is, so there was about 3 ounces of eggshells here, so I poured in 30 ounces of just pure, white 5% distilled vinegar. As you can see, doesn't have to be super fancy. Whatever, any sort of vinegar will work. And then what happens is the calcium with the eggshells mixes with the acidity in the vinegar to create a reaction which releases the calcium from the eggshells and puts it into the vinegar. After approximately 4 to 7 days, or whenever the reaction stops bubbling, you want a container big enough so it doesn't overflow, because it will bubble up. Then you go ahead and strain this. And then what you'll do, you can either foliar spray, you can root drench, and it'll be 1 teaspoon per gallon. So this stuff is strong and it will go a very long way. Make sure you do, filter this out if you are using it, especially in a sprayer. But I will filter out anyway, just because. And then make sure when you are letting it set, put a breathable lid on top and tie a string to it, or else you'll have a big gnat trap, and you do not want that at all. So I hope you like this video on water-soluble calcium. It's a very simple and almost free, really, besides the vinegar, solution to calcium deficiencies, and it will react right away, and it is much cheaper than something like calcium, magnesium supplement like CalMag, or whatever else, or even bone meal is cheaper than. So I hope you like this video, got something out of it. If you do, I hope you subscribe and like this video to see more budget gardening tips, Korean natural farming tips as well. This is water-soluble calcium, part of that. So until I see you in the next video, get on growing.